In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement page in Google Sites. If you're building a site for a team, a class, or a project, having a dedicated place for updates is incredibly helpful. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, clearly labeled page ready for your latest news and reminders. Start by opening your Google site. Make sure you're in the editor view, not just the published version. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see editing controls and the right-hand sidebar. If you have multiple sites, pick the one where you want to add announcements so everything stays organized in the right space. On the right-hand side of the editor, look for the panel that includes tabs like Insert, Pages, and Themes. Click Pages. This tab shows your site structure, including your homepage and any existing sections. It's essentially the map of your site, and it's where you'll create and manage the pages your visitors can navigate to. Now, in the Pages panel, find the plus icon that adds a new page. It's typically at the bottom of the panel and may be labeled Add Page when you hover over it. Click the plus. This opens a small dialog where you can set up the basics of your new page, starting with its title. When prompted to name the page, type Announcements or your preferred title. Choose a name that your audience will immediately understand, since this label often appears in your site's navigation. Keep it short, clear, and professional. For example, Announcements, Updates, or News works well. Use consistent capitalization to match the rest of your site and avoid adding dates or extra details to the title, since those can go in the content later. Click Done. Google Sites will create the new page instantly. You'll see the page appear in the Pages list on the right, and you'll be taken to the new page in the main editor. The page will use your existing site theme, so the header, fonts, and colors will match everything else. At this point, your announcement page exists and is ready for content whenever you're ready to add it. You may also notice the page show up in your site's navigation, which helps visitors find your updates right away. That's all there is to it. You opened your site, went to the Pages panel, clicked the Add Page button, named it Announcements, and confirmed it by clicking Done. With this foundation in place, you can start posting your updates and keep your audience informed in one easy-to-find location.